Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing my Walmart beauty box. The Walmart beauty box is a subscription box that you can sign up for. They send you a quarterly box. It is $6.98. You fill out a beauty profile and typically you get some samples, you get some full-sized items, and typically I feel like I've gotten my money's worth. This month, I'm not so sure. So if that sounds interesting, let's just get into it. You open it up, there is a card inside. On the front it says Beauty in Bloom, and on here are some of the products that I could have gotten. The first item is a sample of a Steve Madden perfume. It is the Goldie. On the card it says Daring and Confident, an intoxicating floral woody fragrance. I've been very into fragrance lately. Let's give this one a squirt. It smells like woods to me. Immediate pass. I am more of a sweet floral or a sweet gourmand kind of girl. It's a no. It says that the full size of the Steve Madden perfume is $19.97 for 1 ounce. The next product I have is this one here. This is the Hero Mighty Patch. This is a 6-pack, and I have thankfully not had any problems with acne since I went to the dermatologist and I started using tretinoin, but I'm sure that I can find a home for these. If you're not familiar, they're just little stickers that you put on a pimple and it helps it go away faster. This is a 6-pack. The 24 count is $8.98 at Walmart. Not bad. The next item is this baby micellar water from Garnier. This is for waterproof makeup. This I will use. I have containers like this in this room as well as my bedroom. These are just from the dollar store. I think they're meant for nail polish remover, but I keep micellar water in here and you just pump and you can get a little bit out. I'll put it on a tissue or a makeup eraser and it really takes swatches off. It does a lot of nice things, and I do use it occasionally at night to help take my makeup off. The full size of this is $8.97 for 13 ounces. This, I believe, is a 1 ounce. Yep, 1.05. Next, we have a cleanser from Bubble. This is the Bubble Soft Launch Hydrating Cream Cleanser. And I have never tried this brand, but I have a goddaughter that loves this brand. She's 10. Let me know. Have you tried it? Are you an adult? Do adults use Bubble? I don't know. Because the only thing I've ever heard about it is from her. And the full size retails for $14.98. for 4.2 ounces. This is 0.33 ounces. So I'll set this aside for her. And the last product is this one here. It is from Dove. It is the Cool Essentials Advanced Care. It moisturizes and it is an antiperspirant deodorant. I was a little disappointed when I saw this. I've gotten this before. However, I will use this. I'll keep it in my car or I'll travel with it. I don't typically use a spray deodorant, but this will get used. And I don't think that the scent is bad on this one. It's not bad. It smells like clean powder. And that is it. So I was so confused when I opened my box that I emailed Walmart Beauty Box customer service saying I was shorted a product. All I have are these 5 little sample products. And first, I was disappointed because it took them over a week to respond to me. I had to message them again to get a response. And then when they finally did respond to me, I'd sent them a picture. They responded saying, you got exactly what you were supposed to get. I believe this is the first time Walmart has never sent me a full-size product, and that is disappointing. It actually says online that they don't have to, but they usually do. I also get really excited because typically they send me some type of a makeup product. So on this card, it'll tell you what you got, but it also shows you a couple other options. Like down here, I could have gotten a gloss from NYX. Over here, there were some Sally Hansen press-on nails. I do enjoy some press-on nails. To get these itty-bitty products is just not my thing. Just a bit disappointed. Let me know, do you get the Walmart box? There are different variations. Did you get different items in your box? Were you happy with them? I, of course, will have everything listed and linked in the description box below, including the face of makeup that I am wearing. I actually just filmed a short on 5 brands to check out during the Sephora sale. If that is up, I will for sure link it, or make sure you're subscribed so you see it when it does come out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you spending your time with me today. Give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment or a heart to let me know you were here. I'll see you in the next one.